So I feel like things are rocking and rolling. We're able to actually we can get caught up so we can run these on the daily and you guys can hear what's new. So why are we reshooting this today, Anthony?
That was crabby this morning.
How crabby?
Very, very, very crabby.
Yeah.
We
are going to put some
say,
footage from earlier.
No, I would say that I am 90% less crabby, but there's still that 10%.
Okay. So let's update everyone. One thing that is wild is coming back from being sick when you own your own company. We were out for probably 3 days, I would say. Plus we had MLK Day, which we used to catch up a little bit, but it is wild. There's nobody to pick up the slack for us. So we've been working late nights, hence why we have Crabby McCrabface over here. Anyway, so updates. Things are, other than us trying to catch up from being sick, we're fortunate that on the consulting side of our life, things were a little calmer as people are getting back into the swing of things from coming back from the holidays and all that stuff. So things were a little slower there, which is good for us because it gave us the opportunity to actually catch up over the last few days without feeling like we were under a massive snowball of work that we needed to clean up and fix. But we were still up late last night working on a bunch of different things and had to get up early this morning. We have handed off the very front end of frame reel to a contractor of ours to start building out. So Anthony and I are going to be checking in on progress on that tonight in our Webflow account. We want to make sure things are set up in a way that we can scale them and work with, not scale them, but like I want to make sure that I can make it mobile responsive in the way that I want and a bunch of other stuff. So we're really having somebody take a first pass at this so we can work on other stuff. So that's rocking and rolling. Tagging is being done. That's moving. Right. Tagging is moving along slowly but surely. Jordan spent 2 hours talking to our Webflow contractor last night. So thank you, Jordan, for doing that. That was amazing. With all those async time zones where we're like tossing something over to somebody and then getting something back so we can play with it in our own time zone. So that was awesome. We are finally launching these out into the world. Thank you, Brittany. Brittany spent a lot of time slicing up our case studies so that we can actually get these videos quickly, lightly edited with an introduction, and we can start launching them so you guys can watch them. I feel like Anthony and I are going to have to be the ones to figure out exactly how we're going to get the Airtable queries, like the stuff we need to query the Airtable API into the Webflow project.
It's not super hard.
I understand theoretically it's not hard.
Tedious.
Okay. Maybe ChatGPT can tell you what to do about that.
Yeah. I mean, ChatGPT is changing the way people code right now.
Oh, 100%. If we figure this out, when we figure out how we're going to pull in the API information, because I think this is actually really important for us to share, we're going to make a video on it. We will show you how we actually queried our Airtable database inside of Webflow. Inside of Webflow, not using a collection list, not using any of the stuff that is taking Airtable and porting it over to a collection list, not using Wiz, not using any of these tools that are out there right now.
But why, oh, why would you want to do that?
Because we're crazy people.
I mean, why would you want to query an external
Database?
database
Well,
outside of the beautiful Webflow CMS?
because the Webflow CMS has a 10,000 item limit, and after 10,000 items, you get enterprise level pricing.
Fun.
And we don't have an enterprise level project yet where we can.
But it'll get there. But
It will, but I'm not shelling out the
whatever it is.
several
Yeah.
thousand a month.
Can you help us?
If you guys know how to do this,
Glad.
say hi to us and teach us. We'll pay you. So I feel like things are rocking and rolling. We're able to actually we can get caught up so we can run these on the daily and you guys can hear what's new.
And
And
as you can tell, we have a little bit more energy. Yes.
okay. Good to know. Anyway, that's where we're at. Let's get this done.
See if we can get Teddy to say it. Ready?
So sometimes if we scream at Za, our toddler will scream it back.